Children, welcome to our GK class. Now our today's topic is astronomy and it is chapter 15. Okay. Astronomy is the study of celestial objects. We must know about outer space as we are part of it. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Astronomy, it is the study of celestial objects, means planets, sun, moon, stars, etc. Okay. First one. Dash is a small planet which orbits closer to the sun than any other planet in our solar system. And the answer is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet which orbits closer to the sun. Second, Dash is nicknamed the red planet because it is covered with rust-like dust. Mars is nicknamed the red planet. Third, Dash is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. It is Saturn. Saturn is the most beautiful planet in our solar system and has many moons which surround it. Fourth, Neptune is a large planet that experiences extreme atmospheric weather conditions and covered in thin wispy white clouds which stretch out around the planet. Now, Neptune is covered with white clouds and these clouds stretch out around the planet. Okay. The surface of Venus is often described as a stormy desert full of many craters and very active volcanoes. The Venus is full of craters and is full of very active volcanoes. Okay. It is also often described as stormy desert. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has very long magnetic field. You would weigh 2.5 times as much you would on Earth. Means your weight on Jupiter will be 2.5 times much as you weight on Earth. Okay. Now seventh is Uranus was the first planet discovered by telescope. Okay. It was the first planet which was discovered by telescope. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, but it also contains large amount of a gas called methane. Uranus contains large amount of gas called methane. Now, fact bite. There are actually 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. One of them is the Pluto. The other 4 are Ceres, Iris, Haumea and Makemake. Okay, these are the dwarf planets. Name of the 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. Now coming to chapter 16, and that is Water World. Answer the following questions on lakes, rivers and oceans. Choose your answer from the options given below. Here are the options. You have to choose answer from there. Which river originates in the eastern region of China and cuts through the city of Nanking? And the river is Yangtze Kiang. Yangtze Kiang. Okay. Which is the southernmost ocean of the world? Antarctic Ocean is the southernmost ocean of the world. Which great river of Africa crosses the equator twice before flowing to the Atlantic Ocean? That is Zaire. Zaire is the river of Africa which crosses the equator twice. Which river is the important geopolitical factor in the Chinese-Russian relations? That is Amur River. Which freshwater lake is the largest of the Great Lakes and it covers the greatest surface area in the world? That is Lake Superior. It is the largest of the Great Lakes and covers the greatest surface area in the world. Which river is known as Bihar's River of Sorrow? Kosi River. It is known as Bihar's River of Sorrow. Which river is known as China's Sorrow? Huanghe is known as China's Sorrow. Of which main river is the Chambal tributary? Yamuna. Yamuna is the main river which is the tributary of Chambal. Which is the longest river flowing entirely from source to outflow in India? It is river Godavari. Which river originating in Switzerland passes through the French cities of Lyon, Avignon and Valence? That is Rhone. Rhone river. In the delta region of which river would you find the Sundarbans? Sundarbans are found in the delta regions of Ganga. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Smallest ocean in the world is Arctic Ocean. Okay. Now let us read fact bite. Dead Sea puts lot of upwards force due to large quantity of salt in it, so people can remain afloat in this or can swim with no effort. In Dead Sea, people can swim with no effort. Without any effort, they can swim because it puts a lot of force due to the large quantity of salt in it. Okay, it puts lot of upward force. That is why people can swim here with no effort. Children, now these both the chapters exercises you have to write in your book. I will send you the pics also of these exercises. Okay, now this much for today's class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you, children.